Are you looking for a new dessert to try in your home? Maybe you want something that is light, yet filling. I have the perfect recipe for you that I'm going to share from my Appalachian homestead. This is Watergate salad. So come on, I'll show you how to make it now. First, you want to add a can of pineapple chunks to a large mixing bowl. And these have been drained. Then, we're going to add in 2 packs of pistachio pudding. Now you want to stir until the pudding mix is dissolved from the juice from the pineapple. This is going to be a thick mixture since we use the chunk pineapples, but that is okay at this point because the Cool Whip will thin it out. Now we're going to add a large container of Cool Whip. Or you can use the store brand. But you want this to be at room temperature for a couple of hours to thaw out, so it will mix in well. Now just stir to incorporate the pistachio pudding mixture into the Cool Whip. This will take a little bit of time, so be patient. Make sure that you scrape the bottom of the bowl as well as the sides to get all of that mixture that has settled on the sides up and incorporate it. You can tell that your mixture is done when it changes colors and it becomes green and is no longer white. This version of Watergate salad is more of a chunky version, but you can always modify it according to what you like. So now that our mixture is all mixed up, it's time to add in a can of mandarin oranges. And stir to combine those into your mixture. Now add in 1 can of maraschino cherries. And to this, we're going to add about a cup of mini marshmallows. You can always add more or less if you prefer. And you can always add more later if you find that you like any of the ingredients in this. So now just stir to combine all of them. Doesn't that look delicious? And now let's see how it looks. You have to make sure you get a little bit of everything. And there you have it, my family's favorite chunky Watergate salad. It is best served chilled for 4 hours or overnight but you can enjoy a serving right after you make it. I hope you try this. Just make sure however you serve it up, everyone gets a little bit of everything. For storage, just scrape the remaining into a bowl and place in the refrigerator. It will last for up to a week, but it's preferably better to eat it as soon as possible. And there you have the perfect bite. A chunk of pineapple, maraschino cherry, a mandarin orange, and a marshmallow, all encapsulated in that delicious pistachio pudding. I hope you will try this recipe with your family and friends, and let me know what you think about this perfect Appalachian Watergate salad.